give her a call real quick.
160 miles south in Hinsdale, Conservation Officer Eric Hannett responds to an injured animal call.
Hello?
Hi, this is Eric Hannett calling from New Hampshire Fish and Game. What's going on?
I have a blue heron down on Fulham Hill, and someone had hit him. Obviously left him.
Okay.
He was using his wings to pull himself out of the road.
Yeah.
I thought for sure he would have passed, or, coyote or something. But no, he's absolutely exhausted. He's laying on his side. But when I walked over, he popped his head up.
Okay.
I can meet you over there. I know right where he is.
Sure.
I told him to hang on because if he's got this much fight in him, maybe he'll make it.
Yeah, I hope so.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thanks. Bye. Something is obviously really wrong with it.
This bird definitely won't survive if I leave him out here. I need to get him to the rehabber right away. But based on the condition that he's in, I'm worried just moving him and putting him into the cage, it might do him in.
It doesn't look